Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brilliant Diamond on PC. Emulation allows you to enjoy your favorite console games right on your computer. First, you'll need a compatible Nintendo Switch emulator. It's crucial to ensure your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Remember to legally obtain your game's ROM file from your own purchased game cartridge. This ensures you're playing within ethical and legal boundaries, setting a solid foundation for your gaming journey. Next, let's talk about selecting the right emulator. Popular choices include Yuzu and Ryujinx, both offering excellent compatibility. Visit their official websites to download the latest stable version, ensuring you get the most up-to-date features and bug fixes. After installation, take some time to configure the emulator's settings. Updating your graphics drivers to their newest version is also highly recommended. This can significantly improve performance and visual fidelity, making your gameplay much more enjoyable. Once your emulator is set up, the next step is acquiring and loading your game. Remember, you should always legally dump your own Nintendo Switch game cartridge to obtain the ROM file. This process ensures you own the game you're playing. Place this game file in an easily accessible folder on your computer. Then, open your emulator, navigate to that folder, and add the game to your library. Don't forget to configure your controller settings for a comfortable and familiar gaming experience. Finally, let's discuss optimizing performance and troubleshooting. You can adjust the emulator's graphics settings to find a good balance between visual quality and frame rate. For optimal performance, ensure your PC has sufficient RAM, ideally 16 GB or more. Closing unnecessary background applications will free up valuable system resources. If you encounter any issues, online communities and forums are fantastic resources for specific troubleshooting tips. Enjoy your adventure in the Sinnoh region.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.